Review of top 3 Ring doorbells. Advantages. This model offers 1536 HD video quality, providing a head-to-toe view of visitors, ideal for seeing people and packages. It also features color night vision, making it effective at night, and can be powered by either battery or mains. Disadvantages. It doesn't have advanced features like 3D motion detection or video pre-roll, which are available on higher-end models like the Ring Video Doorbell 4. Advantages. A solid all-rounder with color pre-roll, allowing you to see 4 seconds of video before motion is detected, which helps avoid missed events. It also has a wide, 160-degree field of view and dual-band Wi-Fi for improved connectivity. Disadvantages. While it's packed with features, it requires a Wi-Fi connection, and the video quality, at 1080p, isn't as sharp as the Ring Video Doorbell Plus. Advantages. This wired model offers 1536p video, 3D motion detection, and HDR, ensuring clear, high-quality footage. It integrates seamlessly with existing doorbell wiring, eliminating the need for recharging. Disadvantages. Installation can be complex due to its wired nature, and it requires an existing doorbell wiring setup or an adapter. Some advanced features, like package detection, are only available through a subscription. Each of these doorbells offers unique features tailored to different needs, from color night vision to advanced motion detection, making them top contenders in the market.